Hey, Zinju here, and Marvel Money World Micro, the do-it-yourself kits, and if you guys remember, this is a blind box, so we don't know what we're gonna get, but Spider-Man, maybe, Venom, Wolverine's kinda cool. I like his little like claws that he can hold. Captain America, and remember last time we got Hulk. So let's get into this and see what we get. Ooh, let's not look at that. Okay, so they're all the same kind of shape, so I'm not really able to figure out what this is. I'm just gonna open it, see what kind of color it is. And he's green, light green. So, as you could tell from his accessory and the sticker, it's Doc Ock. Oh well. Okay, let's just get into this. I'm a bit sad. Okay. How do you put this on? Do you take off his head? Yep. Take off his head, and you put this in the neck area. Okay. And then you just stick the head back on. Alright, there you go. And he kind of stands at it too, so that's kind of cool. Let's check out his stickers. Comes with some eyes, 2 sets of mouth. What are these? These are the goggles. Not really sure what this is. It might be a little shoulder pad things. These might... Actually, you know what? These might be the shoes. These might be the shoulder pads. And then here's everything else. Gets a little jersey, pocket protector, a chain, a gold chain that says hater, and I don't know what this is. Yeah. Okay, let's get into this. So we will put the face on first. Okay. It's a little off. And we'll give him the mean one, because I like the mean one. Alright. And we'll throw on his goggles. This one doesn't look as good as the Hulk, which I could just bring in right here. Because the Hulk is already green, the stickers are coming off, is already green, his skin, but the Ock is not. So, just looks a little weird. Okay. Starting to look good though. And then we'll take one of these arms off. Or actually, we'll leave the arms on. And then we'll try to put the shoulder thingies on. Alright, we need the arm off. It's a little hard to do. Okay. Put that back on. There you go. That looks pretty good. And it holds too because of the arm joint. So we'll just do the other one as well. Okay, we'll just aim for the middle. And just wrap it around like so. And put it back in. Alright, there it is. Kinda. The first one was a little better, but alright, sorry about that. Alright, what else can we put on him? He needs his shoes, which are these, and I don't know how to put these on. So like this. I'm pretty sure it's like this. This looks like that. Let's give him another one. Nope. Alright. There you go. So I like the little accents everywhere. That's rather nice. And I'm thinking these are suspenders because they kind of look like it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, here it is. This isn't as good because it doesn't really wrap around, but it's still pretty good over, you know. Alright, there it is. Here's his, I guess, equipped to go battle Spider-Man mode. Well, I wonder what this one's for. We shall put that one on as well. Maybe he has it right here. There you go. And I'll just do a little cut and I'll put the happy version of him on. Okay, give me a sec. Here's his happy mode, I suppose. So each of these little do-it-yourself kind of kits, they have two types of stickers, and they kind of fit in with each other. There was like the one that complements the arms, and then there's a fun version, which let me see if the box will show it. Kind of like how Spidey is. He'll have his camera and everything, but you can have without. So another one show it. Nope, nobody else shows it. Well, kind of like Hulk. Hulk had his little bow tie, the 3D glasses, and then, you know, and then he has his usual, like the one I have him in right now. Yep. So here's his little gold chain that says Hater on it. And he apparently has a jersey on that says Octavius, number 8. Yep, there you go. So, I mean, it's kind of cool. Kind of, at the same time. I'm not going to say this one's great. Like, I like the Hulk a lot more. If we look around the box, which ones would look kind of good would probably be Iron Man, and maybe Captain America. And of course, you know, anybody that has like a full suit, which is Spider-Man, Venom, and probably Wolverine. But they went kind of lazy with Wolverine, and I'm not really sure if any of the cartoons had him like this, but he's in a full bodysuit now. And, you know, I think the mouth is supposed to be open, usually. So, yeah. I really like these. I'm totally gonna get more of these. I'm hoping to get the ones I really like. With my luck, I'm gonna get doubles, and I'm just gonna be sad. Yeah. So, I guess I'll see you guys next time on another review. And, yeah. Taka out.